Hello guys, good morning. So my question dito kap unsa imong masulti about the Magna Carta for Seafarers. For me, Magna Carta for Seafarers is really a win-win for us. But there's also a disadvantage for the maritime education, and I will gonna discuss. First, as you can see guys, these are the rights nga cover sa Magna Carta. I will just read terms and condition of work, the self-organization, and the CBE, the collective bargaining CBE. We have also educational advancement and training at reasonable and affordable cost, the access to information, the information of seafarers family, the safe passage and travel consultation, protection against discrimination, the protection against all form of harassment and bullying, the free legal representation, the appropriate grievance mechanism, the immediate medical attention, the access to communication is stated also here, the record of employment or certificate of employment, the fair treatment and the fair medical assessment, and the vote in national elections. These are the covered sa Magna Carta. It's also stated also guys that if there's a repatriation due to the injury or there's to the death, the shipping agency, the money agency should shoulder all the costs. But it's also mandates that all the maritime education should should have a training ships. So dito tayo nagka problema. As you notice guys, it was last year lahat nag-Black Monday to protest this one because under BAIPAME, mahirap kasi guys na lahat ng maritime school ay required ng training ship. Kasi ganito yan. Sa training ship, as we know, na need yan ng first maintenance sa barko, need yan ng bunker. And saan yung kukunin yung mga maintenance dyan? So, syempre, sa possible situation. So, dyan tayo magka-problema pag may required lahat ng maritime school na training ship. But then again, let's just wait for the Marine and the CHED arrangement kung ano yung plano nila dito. So sana magawan ito ng paraan. There's a consultation with all maritime school para hindi din ito hindrance para sa mga maritime school, sa mga future nga gusto magseaman. At sana hindi din ito maging isa sa dahilan na tataas yung tuition sa maritime school. So hopefully, let's just wait guys for the final arrangement with the CHED Marina and all maritime schools. So kung paano na nila ito gawin. Again, congratulations to all Filipino seafarers for the Magna Carta for Seafarers. It's really a win-win for us, and I just hope that smooth lang yung transition with regards to maritime education, because as stated, it's mandated that all maritime school should require training ship and simulator, or with the collaboration with the shipping agency, with the shipping company. So yan yung nakasad ng Magna Carta for Seafarers. And I think that's all. Once again, this is Arnel. Maayong adlaw.